paying good money for this, so.
Hope you really help me.
What's our first rule of coaching? You find the answers yourself. So, what's going on, Kennedy?
I'm just getting a lot of negative feedback from my family, just about me being in school. Like, they don't really understand. They've never gone on to get their bachelor's, like, they have their associates, like my dad, mom, and my older sister, but, like, they're not really understanding, like, the time that it's taking, and they don't realize that, like, oh, I am doing school stuff, and I'm working. They're looking at it like, I'm just too busy for them, and that's not.
So your family, your kids'
No,
family, or your
like my
extended
sister,
family?
Yeah, my sister and my parents.
Ah, so they've never been to school?
No.
Like college?
They went to, like, community schools and, like, have gone their associates. So, like, they've been to school, but they just, I don't think they understand how time-consuming it is or how hard it is, like, how much time I have to put into school and into work to do well. They just kind of make it more about themselves, that I'm not going because, like, I'm too busy in my own world, kind of.
Do you feel like they don't understand
Yes.
what you're going through?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
And so,
And then, like, my sister has made, like, a few, like, sassy comments towards me, like, when
she was mean to you.
Yeah, just like when I said, like, oh, I can't do that, I have to do homework, she gives me, like, a sassy comment back, like, oh, you don't really have homework, like, you'll be fine, like, you just don't want to come hang out with me.
She has no understanding of what you're going through, really. You think?
I think so.
You think? So when you, how did you feel when she said that?
I got mad and overwhelmed, and I ended up not doing what I needed to do and went to where she wanted me to go.
Emotionally and psychologically, you mean?
No, physically, like, I stopped doing I put my homework aside because I felt bad, and I went to where she wanted me to go with her.
And you felt like you sacrificed a little
Yeah, like
of what you needed to do.
Sacrifice my own responsibilities because I wanted to make her happy.
That sounds like it frustrated you. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you for telling me. Okay. All right. So let me ask you a question, all four of you. Do you feel like I heard how you felt?
Not at all.
What was how could you tell?
You asked the same question 4 times.
Okay, that's a dead giveaway. What else?
Your lack of attention.
Because I was
Distraction on the phone.
I was on the.
You weren't actively engaged or critically engaged in our conversation anywhere else.
Okay. Let's see. You went second. How did you feel? To what extent did you feel like I understood how you felt?
Not at all.
Not at all?
You were attacking. You weren't asking to help things better. You were trying to make it look like I was in the wrong. Like, I know that was.
But you were in the wrong.
Yeah, I know that. You can't help somebody if you think they're constantly in the wrong. It was their own fault. It was your own problem. You made the problem. You can't help anybody that way.
So you heard me when I was saying whatever I did to you, what did you hear? Not the verbally, but non-verbally, what message came across?
You don't care.
Right. Okay. Did you feel like I heard how you felt?
Yes and no. No, because I feel like you related it back to your life. Like, you didn't talk me through it. You just, like, told me about your situation and maybe how your felt, and then your brother felt, and then
Mm-hmm.
yes, because you like had a situation to go along with it, but I don't know, it's just kind of conflicting on both sides.
Did you sense that I understood how you really felt?
No.
No? Okay. Kennedy, did you sense that I understood how you feel?
I feel like you wanted to understand how I felt, like asked questions like to clarify, like you're like, oh, so you felt like psychologically to do that? I'm like, no, like physically, like
Mhm.
I do that. And so you were trying to understand
Okay, so did you feel any resistance?
besides the classroom being in the
Yeah.
room? No.
Yeah.